Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna be building a simple diamond gallery that's gonna look something like this, and we're only gonna need a bit of HTML and CSS for that, so let's start adding here. So we're gonna have an UL here, and inside of that we wanna have 5 allies. And it's gonna have a class of card. And since we need to target each of them separately later, I'm just gonna add a second class to it. And then inside of each ally, so I'm gonna target all of them, we're gonna have a single div, let's call it card image. And that's all for our HTML. Let me make a CSS file. So first, let's remove the basic styles. Then we can target our UL first. So I want to center it on the page here as it's shown in this example, so we're going to use position absolute. As you can see, we also need to remove, that's from UL, I guess we can remove that later. So we're gonna have a width here. Width and height, and then our ally, we have a class of card. Just to remove the dots, then we're gonna have width and height. I'm just gonna add a background for now so you guys can see it. So we need to rotate it here. We're gonna have opacity on it. So we're also gonna add some transition for the styles. And when we hover the card, we wanna set the opacity to 1. And then we can target separate cards to position them, because we have card 1, card 2, so we can target that second class. And then for the last one here, so as you can see, this is how it looks right now. And I just added a background for now, just so you guys can see it. We're not gonna have any background here. So let me find the image. So to target this again, we're gonna use the second class and then target this step. So here where we have card 1, so we can do the same thing at the bottom. We make this bigger so you guys can see it. And we also want to target all the card images, so this is only the first one. But before that I want to target all of them. And we also want to rotate this picture. And then for the second one, we can add another background. And the last thing we want to do, you guys will probably add a different background to each of them, but I'm just going to add the same one. So I'm going to copy these two. Just change this to 3. Four, and then I'll copy this again. And then we can go back and just remove the background from here because we don't need that. And there we go. Our gallery, a simple gallery, yes, diamond gallery. And then we can mess here, we can mess with these. We set this to 0.4. Yeah, 0.4 probably looks much better. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.